Can you talk? Huh? Say something. Now you decided to not talk? Are you gonna talk now? Hmm? Keep talking. Tell me some more. Yeah? What else? What else can you say? Okay, that's good. Tell me one more story. There you go. Say hi. Hi, Mommy.
Hey, Jackson. 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 It's your mama. Hey. Where's your smile for me? Where's your smile for me? Hey. Come on. Give us a big gummy grin. Jackson. 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 Anything else? You got anything else to say? And? Yeah? Is there more to the story? Tell us some more, Jackson. Jackson. Tell me some more. Jackson, tell me some more story. Tell me some more story. Hey. Hi. Hey. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Tell me some more. Hey. Hey. Woo! Hey. Hey. Jackson. Jackson. Who loves you? Who loves Jackson? Is it Mama? Is it Daddy? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. I want to hear it. You match your swing perfectly today. You got a little bear on your shirt, a little bear around your head. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah. And what else? Uh-oh, you getting that thumb? You just kidding me?
Should I turn it off? Are you done talking? Hmm?
Look at the eyebrows going.
I know. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. One last smile, though? Get one last smile. One last smile. Hey, get a big smile in there. Say goodbye.